SAP Signavio Process Navigator, Central Business Configuration, CBC, and Cloud ALM, Cloud Application Lifecycle Management. So these are three of SAP's products, and they all work together. Now, the essence of this is your fit to standard workshops and, in essence, aligning to best practices. And the orientation is that the target release is not going to be configured to match the business's processes and workflows. The business will have to change its processes and workflows to map SAP's best practices. Now, to do all of that, the business is going to have to understand its own processes and workflows, and it will use SAP Signavio Process Navigator to do that. The last time I looked, there were 1,600 processes in the area that I looked. So that just tells you just how many there are. And you shouldn't be surprised to know that most businesses will not have identified their processes and workflows to any depth. Now, then when you are configuring your new processes and workflows to map to SAP's best practices, you have to set up a whole architecture and organizational structure just to make sure that those processes and workflows work through the business, because there are lots of integrations with lots of different parts of the business. So CBC does that. Now, the data tells us that most, or more than 50% of the target processes and workflows will need to be custom built. So that will be the responsibility of DevOps, but what they want are the requirements that will go into the backlog. And so Cloud ALM links in to CBC to automate that. So you've got these three platforms: SAP Process, Signavio Process, SAP Signavio, and CBC and ALM that work together to complete this very important part of the process.